Black pepper, it's more than just a seasoning. This ancient spice has been valued for centuries, not only for its flavor, but also for its powerful health benefits. Packed with vitamins like A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium, black pepper is a nutrient powerhouse. The magic lies in piperine, a compound that gives black pepper its distinct spicy kick. Piperine is a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals, reducing inflammation and even lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Ever wonder why black pepper is often paired with turmeric? Piperine significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, making it up to 2,000% more bioavailable. This means more anti-inflammatory benefits for your body. Regular consumption of black pepper can aid digestion, improve gut health, and even support weight loss by boosting metabolism and increasing fat burn. It's also been linked to improved brain function and glowing skin. But remember, while it's a health hero, too much black pepper can irritate the stomach lining, especially if you have a sensitive digestive system. Moderation is key. So the next time you grind some black pepper, think of it as more than just a spice. Think of it as a small but mighty health booster. If you found this tip helpful, smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more health insights. Stay healthy, stay informed.